Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to share you experience of one of our subscriber, who has kept fake experience and has joined the company. So like I always tell, he somehow managed to get into the company, and then he was assigned tasks in the company or in the team, whatever, which he was unable to do so. So the basic concepts he was not able to do. SQL tasks were assigned, he was not able to do. So the assigning manager saw him, observed him for 1 month, and I think yesterday or day before yesterday, he caught hold of him and directly asked him, "Did you really work on Tableau? Tell me, how did you get inside?" So these were the cross questions that were against him. He didn't answer. So as a final test, what that manager did was he gave him an hour and assigned him task to complete that. So later on, so he was not much into that, so he could not complete that task. Like I think he finished 50 to 70% of that. So he pulled his manager, I mean manager's manager, into the call and directly confronted. So that's why, guys, I know I suggest you and I sincerely encourage you to learn the concepts thoroughly first. you know First of all, getting through this road is very risky these days. And if you get in also, you have to somehow manage and keep hanging there. So otherwise, this kind of situations might happen with anyone who is trying to get into an industry with fake experience. Like I always tell, getting interview is your first step, but surviving in the job is our ultimate step that we need to master. So for that we need to focus on training, for that we need to focus on Tableau, for that we need to learn on Tableau. I am not sure why people don't understand this basic part. He was literally struggling to write a simple select query, he was literally struggling to write a simple if statement. Now with this thing, if you are going into the industry and telling that I have 5 years of experience, no one will trust. You are getting a job, that is well and good, okay, I'm happy for you, but try to keep that job, work hard for that first. Do your background, prepare well, because not everyone will get this kind of opportunities. Okay. And the market is getting very stricter day by day, very stringent. They are trying to scan everything in your background checks. Okay. So make sure you're not giving any chance to your employer to finger point you on your performance. Okay. If something is coming out of BGC, that is second issue, but technically make sure no one is pointing a finger at you, stating that because of your work we cannot hire you or we cannot continue your employment. It clearly shows. Don't do that. Prepare well. We have got time. We have got November, we have got December. Prepare these 2 months. From January again, we will definitely get calls. You can study and you can crack the interviews. Don't feel down. Definitely market will go up. Okay, but it is little low time, but it is a time for us to prepare and and stay in there. That is why I'm trying to post the functional topic every day. It is very very important. Tableau anyone can teach you, but coding no one can. It comes with experience, it comes with practice. Only these two methods are there. So try to practice more, try to study more. All the best, and if you need any help you can contact me. Have a good day and bye bye.